Hi beautiful people, so today we are going to do a demo and a review for some products that I received from Influenster to test out just for you guys. So today we are testing out the Briogeo hair products. I'm super excited because I wanted to use these hair products for so long. So today we are testing out the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Aloe and Oat Milk Shampoo, the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Aloe and Oat Milk Conditioner, and the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Aloe and Oat Milk Detangling Spray. Okay guys, so depending on what you consider the next day, it was technically my birthday. So it was after midnight and I planned on wearing a wig that I still hadn't made at that point and still hadn't made at this point either, for my birthday, but it just didn't work out that way. But I was like, I need to go ahead and wash my head. My scalp itches. I can braid my hair down and maybe get this wig done tonight. Spoiler alert, I didn't get it done. And my head was itching so bad, y'all. So badly. Oh, so badly. Right there in the center. Y'all know how that be. But let's talk about this shampoo. As much as I loved trying this brand, because I really have wanted to try this brand for years, I'm not a fan of this shampoo. My hair felt really dry. Really, like, it felt a little stripped, not like squeaky stripped, but it didn't feel like what I'm used to when it comes to a shampoo, especially on my Texlax hair. It just felt stripped a little bit, like clean but stripped and not moisturized. It felt like, I don't know. I'm not a fan of it. If I had to use it as a clarifying shampoo, like if I was very, very heavy handed with my products and used a lot of oil in my hair, I would get it. If I used a lot of grease, if I used products to keep my hair straight, like if I'm flat ironing my hair and I'm using like silicones to keep the moisture out, then this would be a great shampoo to cleanse your hair, especially for the first time. But every week, if you're not putting a lot of products on your hair, if your hair is on the drier side, I would not recommend this shampoo. Just, we got to be honest here. That's why I review stuff. That's why I test products. I wasn't a fan of it. It was just really drying. But then the number one thing in this whole line that like I would buy again, will use again, will probably use this entire bottle of, is this conditioner. And it's funny because this is what I know this brand for, is for their deep conditioners, and this conditioner was amazing. I'm gonna show y'all a close-up in a second, but I love this conditioner. And if I had to spend my own money and buy anything out of this 3-line products line, it would be the conditioner. First of all, it smells great. Like, it has very, very, very soft smells, to be honest. Like, it's not a strong scented thing, which I hate strong scented shampoos and conditioners because they make my head hurt. My sinuses just not, they not here for it. But this conditioner I would totally buy again. Like, this conditioner was so good, guys. It almost works like a deep conditioner. Like, I would totally buy this conditioner again. As y'all can see, I was loving it so much. Like, I couldn't keep my hands out of my hair. It left my hair feeling so soft. And I feel like if I had to use my shampoo that I normally use with this conditioner, like, my hair would have been in love. Like, in love, because the conditioner was the star of the show with this line. I'm just gonna be honest, I loved it. So now I'm rinsing it out, and like I said, I was not planning on doing anything special with my hair. This is not a styling video. I went in with the detangling spray just because I wanted to try it. Once again, not a fan. It gave me dry oil vibes. Like, if y'all ever use dry oil in the summertime or even in the wintertime, you know it gives you like that shine. but it's dry. Like, it does not feel moisturizing in any way, shape, or form. That's how I felt with this. And luckily my hair was wet enough to use this detangling comb to detangle through it. And you see I was kind of struggling because it gives you no slip, y'all. There's no slip. There's no like softening of the hair. It just feels like you really sprayed a dry oil onto your hair on top of water. And if you didn't have the water in your hair, you would be screwed. That's basically how I felt. Like, yeah. But that's how much hair I had come out as I was brushing. I know it looks like I was brushing really hard. Yeah. And then I just took my cousin's silk scrunchie and I popped it onto my hair. Yeah. And that's it, guys. That is the review and demo of these products. Let me know if you want to try them. Let me know if you have tried them. Let me know what you think. And until next time, peace out, much love, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you click to watch my previous videos and hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out.